Hello everyone. So this is another session for mathematics. Remember, those of us who are looking for a place where you can enroll for tuitions, you can contact the number that is going to appear or appearing in the comment section or on the screen. So here is a simple question for mathematics, and this topic is very important topic in mathematics paper 1, bearings. This is most challenging to our grade 11s and our grade 12s. So now, the triangle that you've been given here is considered to be an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle simply means that it has got equal angles. So the total sum of interior angles in an equilateral triangle is basically 180, but the unique part about the equilateral triangle should be indicated. Maybe sometimes it appears to be like this. This simply means that the angle which is here is equal to the angle which can appear from there and can be equal to the angle which is possibly there. So it has got equal angles. Equilateral triangle has got equal angles, which is just 60 degrees. So remember, the sum of interior angles is 180. So now we are taught to find the size of angle BCN. So BCN. So possibly the size of the angle that we are looking for is this one. Now remember that if ABC is an equilateral triangle, we know to say the size of the angle, and this size of the angle here is 60, and this size of the angle here is 60, and this size of the angle is 60. So since we are taught to find the size of BCN, which is just the size of this angle, we can use two methods. The possible and the simplicity or the simple method that we can use is just extending this line. When we extend this line, we are trying to create what we call alternate angles. So if this is a parallel line and this is also a parallel line, possibly this angle is equal to this angle. So we are trying to create a letter Z here where we can say this is possibly going to be 60. So when this is 60, the whole straight line here is going to create a 180. So the size of the missing angle here, we can say even the missing angle here should be 60, so that our BCN, the size of BCN, so the solution for question A, angle BCN is going to be 60 plus 60, which is going to give us a 120 degrees. So this is going to be the possible size of angle BCN. So remember, we can extend this side to create alternate angles so that we can find the missing angle here. When we add 60 plus 60 is going to be a 120. 120 from 180, we are going to get a 60. So possibly BCN is equal to 60, is equal to 120 degrees. So now we are going to go to the main question, which is asking us to find the bearing of C from A. The bearing of C from A. So let's go. So according to the bearing of C from A, this simply means that we are going to draw a north to line A, then we are going to meet line C. So we are going to do the extension. So let me just indicate here as quick as possible so that we can see what is happening. So this is point A, then this is point B. So this is a parallel line, and remember we said we have a 60 and we have a 60. So now we are taught to find the bearing of C from A. We are going to draw a new north, which is going to be extended, or an extension of a new north. Then this is point C. Remember, this is point C. Then the bearing of C from A indicates to say we need to move in a clockwise direction. Once we meet line C, we can end our extension there. So now, what does it mean? What does it mean when we are looking for C from A? Or what is the size of the bearing C from A? So remember, these two angles are right angles, and this is a straight line. Then if you are looking for the bearing, you can just say 180 minus 60 degrees. then we can get 120 degrees as the simplest method. Then if trying to solve using method 2, you can find the missing angle here. Definitely the missing angle is going to be 60, and these two angles are said or are called right angles. So right angles add up to 180. You can subtract 180. You can say 180 minus 60 to get a 120. By doing so, we are done with solving. So those of us who want to be better, want to be good at mathematics, you can enroll with us or register with us at Sense Academy School of Tuitions, located in Pamozi near Fiesta Station, where the best is good enough.